applied in different domains like VLSI, optical communication, computer science, cryptography, etc. I hope this faculty development program proved useful to all of you, and we at SGS ITS Indore were able to do justice while designing the course as we were the host for this FDP. To give you more details, let me now invite respected Professor Manish Panchal sir, who is also the coordinator of the FDP, to please say a few words. Please, sir.
Good afternoon to all the participants and all the dignitaries. In this validatory function, I welcome our respected Dean Academic, Professor Rakesh Khare sir, our Head of the Department, Professor Shekhar Sharma sir, Senior Faculty Member, Professor Vevare sir, and other senior faculty members, and dear colleagues. As a course coordinator of this 5 days Atal AICT training program, I want to share my own experience with this course. The journey started with a phone call of our Dean R&D, Professor Tare Madam, for this Atal course application form. Our head of the department, Professor Shekhar Sharma sir, motivated me to write a proposal for this course. Then the next challenge was to choose the speakers. Because our target was to make this FDP full of the knowledge and give a feeling of learning to the participants with some hands-on practicals. I would give special thanks to Professor Vimal Bhatia sir from IIT Indore and Professor Gaurav Trivedi sir from IIT Guwahati for accepting our request as an expert and suggesting us the best speakers from all over the India. Sometimes our own networking plays very important role. I have attended two training programs of Professor Mohit Tehliani sir from NIT Surathkal. And really at that time, I was impressed with his energy level along with his knowledge and hands-on experience. So sometimes in between, I talked with him and I invited him as an expert. So he accepted this acceptance. We are very thankful to our director sir for permitting us this AICT Atal training program, and also thankful to give a chance to conduct this training session. Out of 7 proposals, AICT has selected 4 proposals from our institute and sanctioned the grant for the same. We tried our best to index the best contents with a proper roadmap. As you know that the title of this FDP was very broad. Our speakers have done their best from their sides. They started with the expert talk, with the basic of that topic and got into the depth of that topic. I really thanks to all the participants for being actively involved in this course and asking the queries. As a communication teacher, I always prefer from the students that the class should go in a full duplex mode, which leads to effective delivery of the contents, not in the notebook, but directly into the mind. Department is in the mode to conduct the more training session, especially in the antenna design, communication engineering, wireless network, and embedded system. We will provide the time-to-time update if we are planning such a training program, as mentioned earlier. I request all the participants to give us the time for some formality that we have to do on the AICT Atal portal related to the test marks and the attendance. After that, you will be able to download the certificates if the conditions are fulfilled. And the last, I will give thanks to my co-coordinator, Mr. Ashwin Srivastav, and my departmental Atal team for supporting this AICT Atal training program. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. It is said learners need endless feedback more than they need endless training. Following this, we are now open to receive your feedbacks on FDP.
I will request my co-coordinator Ashwin Srivastav sir to please invite the participants for the feedback. Yes, Pradeep sir.
Yes, good afternoon. Very good afternoon to all of you. Myself, Professor Pradeep Shah, Associate Professor of G.H. Patel College of Engineering and Technology. I'm very happy to share my view regarding this FDP. If I'll say before registering this FDP, I'm totally blank about this IoT. But when I say that after completing a 5-day journey, I have a sufficient knowledge about IoT. Actually, I would also like to comment nowadays this IoT and machine learning are very popular. So we also introduce this subject as a minor degree programs, and we are try to motivate the students for learning this IoT and the machine learning. So I have a very good experience. I enjoy all the sessions from various IIT and NIT professor. I also enjoy the lab session given by the AdGate technology, and I learned that how to program that TIVA board. So I'll I'll thank to the coordinator of this FTP, Manish Panchal sir, Aswin Srivastava sir, for organizing such a nice FDP. I'm also thankful to the head of the department, sir, and the Sakshena sir, the director of the college. Thank you very much.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
so much,
sir.
Pradeep sir. Thank you so much, Pradeep sir.
Thank you, Aswi.
Now I would like to invite Mrs. Priyanka V from Karpagam College of Engineering. Priyanka madam, can you hear us? Priyanka madam? I think she is not yet connected. Okay, so now I may invite Bhavesh Kumar Jha, Professor Bhavesh Kumar Jha from Government Engineering College, Jagdalpur. Bhavesh sir?
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Okay. Thank you, sir. A very good afternoon to one and all. My name is Bhavesh Kumar Jha. I am NPI faculty at Government Engineering College, Jagdalpur, Chhattisgarh. First of all, I want to thank all the organizing team who have been involved for the successful completion of this FDP. All the sessions were very interesting and quite useful. Especially lab sessions were very well organized, as many of us are sitting at remote places these days. It will help to do hands-on for IoT at remote place. The interesting thing is that I am a civil engineer. I am working in assistant professor civil engineering department. So this is totally new for me, IoT, but learning in that. So before all this FDP is well coordinated. As my special thanks to Manish sir and
Okay, now Sapna Rane madam. Please unmute yourself. Please unmute.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Dignitaries present over here. Dean sir, Professor Rakesh Khare, head of the department, Shekhar Sharma sir, coordinator of this FDP program, Professor Manish Panchal sir, senior faculty Dr. Vyavhare sir, and all participants. A very good afternoon to you all. Myself, Dr. Sapna Rane, Head of Electronics Department and IQAC Coordinator, Mama Saheb Mohol College, Maharashtra, Pune. Sir, basically, I'm from pure science field and not from engineering field. I'm teaching electronics to BSc Computer Science students. Internet of Things is a very recent topic and it has been introduced in our syllabus or university syllabus, Savitribai Phule Pune University syllabus for SY BSc Computer Science, Electronics subject from academic year 2020-21. I am basic learner in this field. Particularly this FDP, which is covering the recent trends in Internet of Things, was very relevant subject for me. Even though I'm basic learner, I found this topic very useful for my teaching, as well as guiding students for undertaking small projects in IoT. At the same time, I have been exposed to the latest happenings in this field. All lectures by very eminent personalities like Ribhu Chopra, Professor Sudeep Biswas, Professor Guha, Professor Kaushalendra Vishwakarma, Professor Rajesh Bodade, Professor Srivastava, Professor Kumar, Professor Mohit Tehlani, Professor Bhatia, and Professor Gaurav Trivedi. All of them were fantastic. And the lecture on the quantum computing, I can say, was a cherry on the top. It was the latest subject which I can hear here. A well-designed FDP, I can say. A lot of organization has been done and pains have been taken to arrange this FDP. And I think this is fruitful because we have received many things from this FDP. The hands-on sessions, particularly by Edgate Technology Private Limited, they were interesting and they exposed us to the new IoT platforms apart from Arduino and Raspberry Pi. The meditation session was very calming session by Yamini Karmarkar, which I can say is a need of an hour. I'm thankful to Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Sri GS Institute of Technology and Science, Indore, for this knowledge-packed FDP. I'm also thankful in particular to Dr. Manish Panchal sir for his well coordination. And I'm also thankful to Professor Dr. Vyavhare sir because he asks so many important questions which cleared our concepts and ideas. So thank you once again. I'm thankful to all faculty who were involved in organizing this FDP. And we are looking forward for some such more fruitful FDPs from your college. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, madam. Thank you so much for your valuable feedback. Because means you have defined everything, means you have defined the summary of the workshop in short, and we are very happy that you enjoyed all the sessions. Thank you so much once again.
Yes, sir, we have enjoyed it very much.
Yes. Now I would like to invite Mr. Yudhishthir Raut, sir. Sir, are you there? Yudhishthir, sir? I think he is not present here. Next, I would like to invite Nikita Manurkar, madam.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. First of all, a very warm good afternoon to all the respected dignitaries and my colleagues. I, Nikita Manurkar, a research scholar pursuing PhD in applied chemistry from DAVV, take the privilege to share my experience throughout the workshop. But before starting, I would like to thank the coordinator, Mr. Panchal sir and Mr. Srivastav sir, for giving this wonderful opportunity to share our experience on this beautiful faculty development program. So in this, let me start. In this cutthroat competitive world, IoT has actually emerged as a boom. So this 5 days FDP has and the sessions conducted by the knowledgeable, immense knowledgeable, I would say, resource persons was indeed an eye-opener session, which not only addresses the concept but covered the application and plus the practical aspects too. It was indeed very informative session. for me as a research scholar, I would say, especially I have enjoyed the session on security threats for IoT and Web of Things and application of computer vision in IoT. I wish I would have been exposed to IoT and its application earlier, but it's that better late than never. So I am on time. And I really enjoyed these sessions. These concepts and applications, application parts presented will most definitely be incorporated in my resources too. So very relevant. It actually drills down the standards and the concept involved in the IoT. Hands-on experiments and how each component is integrated in the overall system. These informative sessions by Professor Gua and Professor Bhatia made me actually think and reflect on upcoming trend of the creation. So that assures to be a better and make our everyday life optimal. And we can, make our optimal life as a smarter life also, which actually uses the intelligence devices and smart things operating at same time. It is considered to revolutionize the way internet works and bring together the concepts such as machine-to-machine communication, and as we have seen, the artificial intelligence as well. And meditation session was really an enlightening session. It actually made me reflect on myself. So I enjoyed the meditation session the most. And last but not least, I want to thank SGS ITS campus, especially the Electronics and Communication Department for organizing this enlightening program. And we are looking forward for more such programs. And I just want to end my experience with one thought, which I have experienced through this 5 days workshop. Learning is the actual passport for the bright future. So thank you so much, professors, and thank you so much, SGS ITS. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Nikita madam. We hope the knowledge you have acquired from here would help you in your research work further.
Yes,
because these days AI and ML, IoT, these have interdisciplinary applications these days. So,
yes, sir.
So best of luck.
Thank you, sir.
So next, I would like to invite Shri Alok Gupta, sir. Alok, sir, are you there?
Yes, Ashwin, I am here.
Yes, please go ahead, sir.
A very good afternoon to all of you. I am Alok Gupta. I joined this workshop on behalf of the ACGSI. We are the industry working in the consultation for the various institutes and the organizations. I'd gone through with the entire sessions and found it really useful that how we will optimize the things and how we can go for the IoT implementation in the industrial application. So this is really good exposure for us to have hands-on session, even though we are not on the sites and we are on the remote locations. So we had enjoyed this workshop. I'll really congratulate Mr. Manish Panchal and Ashwin Srivastava for organizing this. And thanks for giving opportunity to learn about it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. So now I would like to invite Professor PD.
अश्विन डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया क्या?
हो गया सर कनेक्ट. Now I would like to invite Professor PD Vyavare sir to please give some feedback on this FDP.
Thank you, Ashwin. So, Honorable Dean Professor Rakesh Khare, Professor Shekhar Sharma, Head of the Department, coordinators of this workshop, Professor Manish Panchal and Ashwin Srivastava. Now this is a virtual meet, so virtual meet has some advantages and some disadvantages. So, of course, one advantage is people can all across India can participate. Like Rani Mandam did not have to worry how to come to Indore, and Manish Panchal and Ashwin did not have to take care about their stay and food and other things. So it saves a lot of energy in one particular sense that people don't have to travel. But virtual meets have many, shortcomings, and one of them essentially is one doesn't know who is attending, who is not attending. Although the applications came out to be 150. So I thought now I should summarize this in slightly different way. So how to summarize in a different way? So I shall now speak some names, and probably many of them will be surprised as to why I'm speaking those names, particularly those who are not from Indore. So as I said, the dean and head and the coordinators. Apart from that, the other peoples are Professor Anjulata Yadav, Amit Naik, Ajay Parmar, Jayadip Tilal, L.D. Malviya, Preeti Trivedi, Rekha Jain, S.K. Jain, Deepali Kothari, Shivam Srivastav, Kritika Dubey, Neeraj Malviya, and many of course, Rekha Jain has spoken, and then many of you now might be knowing one of the team members as Ritika Nair. So those who are not from Indore and those who are not from GST, I may wonder as to why I am taking only these many names. There are 100 people who are onto the list here, and I have taken only 16 names. So can somebody guess why I have taken these 16 names? Not Indore person. Apart from Indore, can somebody say? Indore wala koi nahi bolega. Sapna Rane, can you guess why I have taken these names?
No, not any guess.
Okay, don't worry. The guess essentially is the one which talks about the success of the story, and this is essentially the teamwork. All of these people are from Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering.
Yeah.
Very rarely it happens in any organization that 3/4 of the faculty members, 75% of the people or 80% of the people actually register for the course which is run by the department. So normally it is taken like head का काम है, coordinator का काम है, अपने को क्या करना है, अपने को खाना खाने बुलाएं तो चले जाएंगे, चाय पिलाएं को बुलाएं चले जाएंगे. Why to register? Now this also shows certain amount of courage. If 80% of the faculty members themselves are registering, which means they have courage to sort of take quiz, because quiz नहीं होगा तो मनीष पांचाल certificate नहीं देगा. So this is the courage, and this is courage of learning essentially. I also want to sort of say that this is essentially the overall teamwork of the department. Whosoever is the coordinator, it doesn't matter. I mean, somebody has to be made coordinator and a head decides and somebody has to do that. But rest of the people work and do their job irrespective of whether they are coordinator or not the coordinator. And that is essentially the success of any other place. So for rest of the participants, they have of course learned the technology, but I am talking about the philosophical part of any group activity that has to be done. All people must participate, at least 80% of the people. Then it can be called as a successful thing. अदरवाइज अपने घर में ही शादी है, भाई नहीं आया, बहन नहीं आई, काका जी नहीं आए, बाकी लोगों को खाना खिलाया, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? You know very well कि आपकी भाई बहन से ही नहीं पट रही है, 1000 लोगों को खाना खिला दिया, but these people have not come. So I think this is one takeaway other people can take, whosoever are organizing or attending, that 70-80% of the people should take into it, and the credit goes essentially to the head and the team, that is Shekhar Sharma sir, Manish Panchal and Ashwin Srivastava, of course, that they have been able to take everybody together and motivate into them. And there are of course other people into the team. I shall take their name like Pradeep Shah, Vipin Kaushik, Ramchandra Gurjar, Rakesh Dhakad, Lalit Purohit, Manjit Soni, Alok Gupta, and I shall stop at that. And can somebody else guess why I have taken only these many names now? Because they are all from GSTI's various other departments. And this shows another thing, that if your own colleague departments are participating, which essentially means they see certain amount of value addition into it. And this is another thing which doesn't happen many times. I shall of course take two more names and then go to my thing. One is Alok Gupta. As I said, he was previously faculty member in our department. But there are two more people. Is Kapil Tare, who was always the first to register more or less. So I think you are noticed. सबसे आखिरी में आने वाला बच्चा और सबसे पहले आने वाला क्लास में लोगों को ध्यान रहते हैं. You are all teacher. You know this psychology. और वो दोनों लोग स्पेशल लोग ही रहते हैं. पहले आने वाला वो सीरियस रहता है और आखिरी वाला अटेंडेंस के लिए आता है, जस्ट टू शो कि मैंने चेहरा दिखा दिया करके. And of course, Rane madam rightly said, I asked many questions, and in fact for this, the reason is I do not know many things. The only thing is I'm little bit less shy to say कि मेरे को ये भी नहीं आता, मेरे को वो भी नहीं आता, मेरे को वो भी नहीं आता. And this essentially happens even when I take interviews. I tell students that I may not know the answer, but I shall be able to find out whether you know the answer or not. तो मेरे को भले जवाब नहीं आता होगा, I shall ask a question because मेरा थोड़ी सिलेक्शन तो उसका होना है. But I am clever enough by virtue of the time that and therefore now I am more enabled. अभी मेरे को कहीं इंटरव्यू लेने जाना है, अभी मेरे पास ज्यादा सवाल है मेरे पास. So I know who has studied the topic and who has not studied the topic in it. So anyway, this topic was recent trends in IoT, and as many people have said, we also require networking. Not only networking within the department, which is a intra-departmental level when we talk, then we talk about intra-institution level. The third thing essentially is the networking with the other people, and we know two people. One of them essentially is Vimal Bhatia, and another is the Gaurav Trivedi. Now again, can somebody guess why these two people came up all the way and helped us so much? I shall tell you that you will not know. Because IIT Indore was established, GSTI helped in many ways to IIT Indore. And these people who joined initially remember that the type of the open hand that GSTI had given to IIT Indore, particularly the workshop, electronics workshop, Purohit sir, Ganguly sir, myself, we all used to go there and one way or the other assist them to them. And therefore people remember that. And the second thing is when the ANTS conference was done, although the ANTS was done by IIT Indore, GSTI open, I think Anjana Jain hai ke yahan pe? Nahi hai. Anjana Jain and myself and Anjulata Yadav, we essentially, said, hamara naam nahi hai, which farak nahi padta, but we'll go and help them. And in whichever way we can make the resources made available to them, that happened. I think Manish also presented a paper into the ANTS into that. And lastly, about the Gaurav Trivedi. The Gaurav Trivedi, many of you might not be knowing, he's passed out of GSTI, Electronics and Television Department. And he has a special affection for his undergraduate college, for our alma mater. And that is how this whole team. So all that I'm trying to say is, somebody begins something, but the success will happen or not will depend upon your rapport with the rest of the people, your sincerity with the rest of the people, and your past deeds that you have done into it. Of course, as Rane Madam already taken all the names, I need not take all the names, but from Sudipta Vishwas, who talked theory into deep, to the Mohit Tehliani, who was, as he said, full of energy and all those things. And Gaurav Trivedi essentially showed that, the topic which is recent trends in IoT has gone to a level of future trends in information communication technology. Because talking about quantum computing, it's quite far when the first computer will become viable to the people. I mean, there is something into the lab, but it's solved. It's like 1947 first transistor made. किसी ने सोचा नहीं था 1947 बना हुआ ट्रांजिस्टर काम करेगा कभी, क्यों नहीं करेगा? बिकॉज वो ट्रांजिस्टर इतना फ्रेजाइल था कि दरवाजा को धक्का लग गया बाहर से तो ट्रांजिस्टर के पॉइंट उखड़ जाए. It was a point contact diode, so point is to get out of from that surface and transistor effect will go. So it happens 10-20 years, but today we know everything into the transistor. And as somebody said, the meditation thing was something extraordinary that Yamini Karmarkar did. I think more the way in which she handled questions, Vipin Kaushik and other people asked her many different type of questions, and she really gave a panoramic view about it, because many things are not known to us कि हमें क्या कमी है. It's only when you do meditation फिर पता चलता है ये आदमी मेरे से बात क्यों नहीं करता, इसके सामने जाने से मेरे को डर क्यों लगता है, मैं GSTI के डायरेक्टर को साल भर में 20 एप्लीकेशन क्यों भेज रहा हूँ, वो नहीं कह रहे, तो भी जो भी इस तरह से. And then you become a better person, you accept the realities of the life, you become happier, you become more compassionate to the people, you don't become angry with the people who become angry, you don't become, you tolerate people who are dishonest, because you cannot change the world. The only way you have to change is your own perspective, and probably the meditation over a long period gives that type of perspective. And I think we are fortunate that Shekhar Sharma in the department has been doing that, and therefore you can see into personality of the person. And of course, Rakesh Khare, I did not say, but Rakesh Khare himself is also spiritually connected. And therefore उसमें भी लोगों को माफ करने की बहुत आदत है और प्लस खुद रहने के लिए करके. So we of course had network with MCT Mahu that we saw into it. And as I said, these are the things of the success of the story कि आपके घर के लोग कितने अटेंड कर रहे हैं, कितना अटेंड कर रहे हैं. Virtual thing, you have to be honest with yourself. कोई किसको आपको चेक नहीं कर रहा है, including quiz, which के सवाल के जवाब भी नेट से देखे जाएंगे तो भी पता नहीं चलेगा 5-4 सर को. It only proves essentially that if the individual person is honest or not. I hope that all of us essentially take a lot of lessons from this. Many of you might have taken notes about this. So I shall, I hope that more like this, some things will be done by the different department. And I'm thankful to Professor Shekhar Sharma and Manish and Rakesh and others that although I have retired and 3 years have passed, I still feel a part of a family of the institute. And at every other place, they invite me and keep joining to that. So lastly, before I conclude, I think I must give special thanks to Anjulata Yadav. And the reason is she is surprised why, because I said कि तुमने question नहीं पूछे तो उसने question पूछना शुरू कर दिया. And essentially this proves that once a student, always a student, and this philosophy she follows into heart. And so I'm fortunate that we have these types of students, including Manish Pancha and others. So all the best wishes to all the participants who have attended this course. I hope they will start introducing something or the other at their place, either into theory or into practice, or in terms of quiz or seminars. We learn from students. Actually, I have learned many things just by students. So कोई topic नहीं आता है तो seminar करके बच्चों को दे दो, वो study करके आएंगे, सवाल पूछ लो, slowly and slowly you become clever. Student also becomes happy कि अपने को recent कोई topic पढ़ने के लिए दे दिया है करके. But I must again admit that I am ignorant of many topic. And Atal Academy has done a fantastic philosophy of the type that इतने सस्ते में इतने लोगों को reach करना संभव नहीं है. Number one, of course, they are strict about one thing, as I understand that it is about when the proposals are submitted. I think some 60% of proposals are accepted, but 40% are rejected at first level. And one of the major criteria, as I understand, of selection is not only the topic or the who is supporting, but is the list of the speaker that you give with that. And once you give the list of the speaker, then you cannot change that. So the major idea is they know very well that, you know, once the workshop is sanctioned to somebody, then मैं मेरे स्टूडेंट को बुला लूंगा, मेरे गाइड को बुला लूंगा, मेरे टीचर को बुला लूंगा, मेरे भाई को बुला लूंगा, किसी को भाई वगैरह थोड़ा लेते हैं. So therefore they are very strict into these things to a large extent. That once you give the list, they know that your homework is perfect, and if the homework is perfect, they are assured that probably the delivery will be very nice. So one thing I would like to sort of again say that ये जो feedback chat में आते रहता है कि link नहीं भेजी, ये उसके बारे में मेरे ख्याल से या तो सब लोगों ने full time देखते रहना चाहिए या फिर उनकी network की reliability का issue होते रहना चाहिए. But I think उसके बारे में कोई discipline होगा तो coordinator पहले से ही बता देते हैं. I have the only thing that in previous workshop also I attended one of IDV, they said that many people attend only for feedback link आगे की number ही कम हो जाता है. So the statistics तो यहाँ दिखता है, आपको लगता है किसी को नहीं दिख रहा है, पर statistics दिखता है. आज 103 है, फिर सवेरे 10 थे, कल 70 थे, तो ऐसा अपने को लगता है कि मेरे को कोई नहीं देख रहा है, पर नंबर में देख रहा है यहाँ पे. And I think therefore next time onwards the participants and coordinators will have far more interactive sessions. The last thing is I think people should ask questions. ऐसा मेरे को तो भी लगता है. It's only through asking questions that one learns. Hamming has said the teacher must teach the future of the students and not the past of the teacher, and that can only happen when you learn new subject and when you keep ask questions and you say openly to the student that I do not know, but let us learn together. So I have learned a lot of things together. So thank you very much once again to each one of you, and thank you for bearing with me. All the best. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your motivational words and the feedback about this course. Now, if Priyanka madam is present here, she can just give her feedback. She had posted in the chat box. Priyanka madam, can you hear us? Okay, so now I think she. Yes, please go ahead.
Good evening to one and all present here. I'm very proud to attend this wonderful session. It is FDP. Actually, I really thank all the members of the crew in this or the IoT. So actually, I really feel that I gathered more knowledge. Even I knew about new definitions of IoT. Actually, I'm working as an assistant professor in private college. So this is I have entered in a private college as a fresher. So 2020 passed out only myself. So while I'm studying, I knew about somewhat things about IoT, but after attending this FDP, I knew more things, and I gathered more applications of IoT, and then the practical system was wonderful. So I feel that I gathered more knowledge, and I can able to create one application by using IoT. Actually, in my PG, I have developed a project called IoT-based air pollution that I have used only one sensor. So I feel that that's a really small part of IoT, I think. But while I'm doing that, I feel that okay, I'm doing much in IoT. I knew more things about IoT. But while attending this FDP, I feel that actually myself did only one minor part in IoT. So I gather more knowledge and what to say. I can able to now I can able to do all. I can able to at least create one big application. It will be useful for society, I think so. So really thanks to all the members of the group. So and I really want to say about the meditation section. So that's also compared with sorry, not compared with it's a technical one, but they are planning to give one meditation session, so that will help people to relax themselves because all are working. During working only they are attending FDP, so they are having more pressure. But attending meditation session, it will give more energy. So thank you for giving that session also. So thank you all. That's it.
Thank you so much, Priyanka madam, for your feedback. I hope you have enjoyed this session, all the sessions. Okay, now I would like to invite Professor Vipin Kaushik for his
Yeah.
please. Sir.
Thank you, Ashwin. Thank you, Ashwin. A very good afternoon to the respected Hare sir, Shekhar Sharma sir, Panchal sir, Professor Vyavare sir, and entire electronics department. And it's my pleasure to share my view for this FDP. Although lots of things has already been said by all the previous speaker. I just want to I just want to share my 3 points. One is such type of FTBs are definitely very good. We can learn from our chair by being in from our cabin. We can learn a lot of things. But I think now the pattern of such FTP should be changed little bit, because it is not always easy to attend all the lectures. This field is very fascinating for me. I am attending the third FTP of this IoT and ML and AI based FTPs, and rest of the two was offline. I learned a lot because I was in one is in IIT Delhi and one is in IIT Roorkee, and this is the third one. I joined this FTP just to learn something about this IoT and ML and AL. But unfortunately, lots of other commitments was there, and it was not always easy for me to be there in lecture for full time. I need to be ideal because Panchal sir was posting the feedback in Google Meet only. That's why I need to be ideal. This is true, and that's why I think this pattern of this FDP should be a little bit changed. It should be at the weekend, or it should be after the timing should be I think after post lunch or 4 to 6, and time schedule may be increased for 2 weeks. Let's start for 3 hours per day and 2 week FDPs. One thing is that, and another thing, definitely I must congratulate the entire team. Lots of efforts being put for the and for conducting such type of FDPs also. And I congratulate the entire team, Panchal sir, Ashwin sir, Shekhar sir, and entire electronics department for making such this FDP a great success. And the thoughtful inclusion of the learned speaker, they definitely give us the broad spectrum of this new emerging technology. And I think now it is unfair to this technology to say this is emerging. I personally feel this has already been emerged. We should work for this ML and AI and AL things. And as in yesterday we were attending a workshop on NPE and New Education Policy NEP, and I think this ML, AL, and IoT technology can only fulfill more than the 50% requirement of this NEP. So I request, or I hope Panchal sir should work and should try to establish a lab or an environment in his department to so that these people can also work in this field, and we will work together. I'm very fascinated to work in this field, and if electronics department of our institute work in this field to establish a laboratory, that may be in which we can do some experiment, or in which we can do some hands-on training like we did in this FTP in Age Impulse, First time I do some machine learning sort of things. We can educate machine with our mobile also in edge impulse hands-on training. So with this word, I thanks all of you, and again a big congratulations to Manish Panchal sir, and thank you all.
Thank you, Vipin sir. Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to invite our last participant for feedback, Ankita Sharma. Ankita madam, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah. So good afternoon, all. It is moment of pride for each participant and coordinators for successful completion of this FDP. As a researcher, for me, there are many key points and takeaways from this FDP. All sessions were relevant, interactive, and engaging. Lecture of Professor Ribhu on security of IoT was very informative. Lab sessions and hands-on session on edge computing platform using machine learning by Kaushlen sir were very interesting. In that session, we did classification problems on edge computing platform. Professor Vishwakarma presented the factual expansion of market scenario of future chip and IoT devices. Lectures of Professor Rajesh from MCT Mahu on IoT application and operability. Professor Vimal Bhatia on how 5G and 6G networks are being transformed with IoT. Then Professor Kumar's lecture on IoT with optical fibers. And today's Professor Gaurav's lecture about breakthrough in quantum computing and PQC algorithms. All lectures were packed with information, concepts, and recent developments in respective field. I am grateful to all speakers and to coordinators and SGS ITS for organizing this remarkable FDP. I will be looking forward for forthcoming workshops and programs to learn more. Thank you to the team and thank you all.
Thank you so much, Ankita Sharma madam. Now, okay, any other participant, if he or she wants to speak about this workshop? I think, okay, then we can move further. Ritika madam, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So thank you all for your valuable feedback. Now I invite respected Dr. Shekhar Sharma sir, Head of the Department, Electronics and Telecommunication Department, SGS ITS, to please say a few words.
Good afternoon to all, respected Dr. Vyavhare sir, respected Dr. Rakesh Khare sir, our Dean Academics, my dear coordinators, Ashwin sir and Manish Panchal ji, and I heard very good words from Vipin sir also. So dear Vipin sir, we will be having interdisciplinary activity. I am really concerned about it, and I will really talk about that to our Dean Academics sir later on. So you are welcome for this activity. All these things are going in my mind since the conception of this FDP. Me and Manish Panchal both have been thinking on this issue, and as Manish sir rightly said that nothing develops overnight. It was a continuous thinking process for a couple of days, but actually the application was to move very early, and therefore at that stage we had to be quick in our responses. So whatever we could do is all before you because of the ancient tradition of this department, because of Professor Vyavhare's contact, and also the contacts which have recently developed due to different activities. So this is net outcome of all that. And of course, it needs the permission from the higher chair and approval from all sorts of deans and academic, whole academia team. So I thank all the team members, especially our Dean Academics and Dean R&D, Vandana Tare madam, for this. As we know that this learning aspect, as Vyavhare sir said, once I interacted with him after a workshop was over, and he said that every time it's a learning in delta form, and delta is of course known to all our technical team, that delta is a very small part that we can go through or perhaps learn through the activity. It's not more than that, because I think the learning aspect is taking place slowly. And what can aid to this learning? So as he correctly mentioned, that writing notes is the very first thing which perhaps encourages this. And suppose we go beyond it, so contemplating over the contents that we have written. Suppose we go even beyond it, then doing the things that we have already learned. For example, some of you, Vipin sir, have been encouraged to put the hands-on together with this team. So like that, this learning will of course keep on. And therefore, as the NBA recommends, and also we also know that our continuous learning should be on all the time. So how to do it? I have just tried to put it in some points. Writing notes is one. Contemplating our content, contemplating over the contents written, doing it experimentally, and then more importantly, taking feedback from others by discussing others with others. And for that discussion, we can form groups, and there can be small groups, not only of students, but also of teachers. Because I find in my own department, when we form a group and we take a subject together, either for delivering to the students or for learning ourselves, I always have been benefited, and I'm sure that all my group members have been benefited because of this group activity, which we have tried to promote throughout our department in all aspects, whether it be arrangement of a workshop or FDP or learning some subject together, discussing core complex mathematical formulation and whatnot. So sometimes experimental also. So all these things, they help. Now, one of the advantage to all of us, the teachers, which is a blessing, that we have a platform to deliver our things. And that is also a way to success, I mean, to learn. So when we deliver, we learn, we all know. And therefore, suppose the students are there, or suppose we being students, we don't learn, then we should form groups and we should really get discussions over there and get feedback, because the true feedbacks will make us learn definitely. So in this IoT FDP, I have tried to cover many aspects. I have tried to compartmentalize the different aspects, what we try to collect. One is, of course, the hardware aspect. Another is software aspect. Another is experimental aspect. And then the transmission aspect and some interoperability aspect. And finally, the spiritual aspect. So far as we have seen that in hardware aspect, we could talk about device fabrication, energy efficient devices, low power devices. In the software aspect, we tried to cover the AI and ML, the current buzzwords. Of course, with IoT, they are also being joined together. And then the security threats. These are some software items that we could see. Some of the experimental hands-on sessions were there by Edge Computing and by Edgate Private Technology Private Limited. Some of the transmission aspects we could discuss as radio on fiber, 5G and 6G, and then interoperability of the devices, because the standards do not match and therefore we need to take care. So many of the aspects we tried to cover in this. Now, lastly, in the session that was meditation session, the spiritual session, the spiritual aspect was tried to be covered. And as we know that whatever we do, we need to be doing that with a peaceful mind and with a happy heart. So to not only, as sir said, tolerate somebody, of course, tolerance is a very good aspect of this thing. I should say beyond tolerance, if we can just go beyond tolerance to acceptance, whatever comes, let us take it that way. And in the same way, which is being offered to us at the same time, at that moment of time. So for that, we are knowing something has to be done, because most of the times we don't have the methods available for that. Now we can try out the ways which are suggested by Yamini Madam today. So those are spiritual aspects to keep us healthy, peace in our mind, and with happiness whatever we do. Of course, that which we try to do should be with full of our heart, and therefore naturally the quality is the key aspect of whatever we do. So this is the theme that we all feel in our department, and therefore I always feel being happy with my department members, always interacting with them, because there is a very positive atmosphere. So I really thank to all my department members who are encouraging this atmosphere and of course having a very motivating atmosphere. Thanks especially to Manish Panchal sir. With a lot of discussions we have normally daily and for hours together, and to Ashwin Srivastava sir, to whom I also try to interact with some spiritual aspect. All these things I wanted to share so that at your end you can also try out these things if you can do, and definitely you will feel better because of all this. So with those notings and with those comments, I want to end here. Thank you so much for your participation. Thank you so much for taking part in your learning process and being part of our family now. And special thanks to our Professor Dr. Vyavare sir, to always encourage and motivate us, and as if he is always acting like a learner, and how to be a learner, perhaps looking at him, we feel that this is what we have to do. And really, sir, our Khare sir, as sir has told, that he's a very cool person, and really I want something to be said by now Khare sir, so I'm not taking much time. I think Manish sir, I'm not going beyond time. Please take over. Thank you all. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now I call upon respected Professor Rakesh Khare sir, Dean Academics, SGS ITS Indore, to please say a few words. And before sir says anything, we really thank sir for giving so much time to us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ritika. Respected participants, Professor Vyavare, Professor Sharma, Manish, Ashwin, all department faculty, thank you for inviting me in this session. And as participants has given feedback, it was really wonderful program, and I'm sure faculty of electronics department is brilliant faculty, experienced. So I congratulate for conducting so good program, particularly relevant in present scenario, IoT. So congratulations. शेखर ने मुझे बोला था कि इसमें मेडिटेशन का सेशन हुआ था और स्पिरिचुअलिटी के लिए तो मुझे इनवाइट किया, तो मैंने कहा ठीक है, इट्स अ गुड टॉपिक फॉर मी, फॉर माई सेल्फ, नॉट फॉर अदर्स. ज़्यादा मैं नहीं बोलता हूँ सबसे, कोई मुझसे बात करता है तो सिर्फ बात करता हूँ. तो मैं अपनी स्टोरी बता सकता हूँ, बस यही मैं जानता हूँ, इसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं जानता हूँ इस स्पिरिचुअलिज्म में. तो if you permit, I can tell you. Otherwise, because this is going on, I do not know.
मुझे तो सुनना. मनीष जी से परमिशन लेके सुना. मनीष जी बोलो आप.
मनीष जी बताइए.
You can please continue, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you. तो मेरी जर्नी इफेक्टिवली जो स्टार्ट हुई थी मेडिटेशन के लिए 96 में, 25 इयर्स बैक, पतंजलि अष्टांग योग, यम, नियम, आसन, प्राणायाम, प्रत्याहार, धारणा, ध्यान, समाधि, इसके संबंध में मैंने आसन करता था. गीता भवन में यहाँ पर डॉक्टर केसी खरे करवाते थे, वहीं पर थोड़ा प्राणायाम और ध्यान होता था, तो कुछ मुझे मालूम था कि यहाँ कुछ होता है. फिर वो सारे योग के बारे में बताते, सहज योग, राजयोग, ऐसे ऐसे लय योग, सो मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ योग, काफ़ी चीज़ें बताई थी उन्होंने. देन 3-4 इयर्स करने के बाद में मेरा डिसकंटिन्यू हो गया बिकॉज ऑफ सम फिजिकल इशू. शोल्डर डिसलोकेट हो गया था, तो फिर मैं आसन नहीं कर पाता था ढंग से, तो रेगुलरिटी नहीं रहती. फिर 2005-6 में मैं न्यूजीलैंड गया था, वहाँ 6 मंथ्स मुझे काफ़ी टाइम मिला। मेरा जो मार्ग था अपने आप को समझाने के लिए भक्ति मार्ग था, रामचरितमानस का पाठ करता था मैं। तो उसके साथ में थोड़ा मेडिटेशन का टाइम मिला, 45 मिनट्स मेडिटेशन करना मैंने शुरू किया। अराउंड आफ्टर 45 डेज कुछ वाइब्रेशंस होने लगे। मैं लेटा हूँ बेड पर तो लगा जैसे पता नहीं उठ रहा हूँ, क्या हो रहा है, उड़ रहा हूँ। तो मैंने उसको स्टॉप कर दिया कि मैं विदेश में पड़ा हुआ हूँ, कोई गुरु है नहीं, मैं कुछ करूँ और कुछ हो जाए तो मेरी फैमिली है क्या होगा। तो देन आई स्टॉप्ड दैट वे, इन द सेंस मेडिटेशन फॉर कुंडलिनी जागरण या शक्ति या इस तरह का काम मैंने बंद करके सिर्फ सिंपल मेडिटेशन 45 मिनट्स बैठता था और राम राम या समथिंग लाइक दैट, some mantra or something I was doing that. I was not knowing what is exactly meditation. ये जो पतंजलि योग है, अष्टांग योग है, इसमें बहुत स्टेप्स ये हैं क्या, पढ़ा था बस वैसा ही जानता था। तो बिकॉज गुरु वॉज नॉट देयर तो मैंने वो उस ढंग से करना बंद कर दिया, बस सिटिंग लाइक दैट। लौट के वापस आया, जर्नी वॉज कंटिन्यू। 2013 में मुझे गुरु मिल गए। तो 2013 में मुझे मालूम पड़ा कि ध्यान बेसिकली, ध्यान जैसे हम कहते हैं, मुझे याद है जब हम लोग स्कूल एजुकेशन में पढ़ते थे, कॉलेज में पढ़ते थे, पढ़ रहे हैं तो डूब गए पढ़ने में, तो वो ध्यान है। ध्यान कोई भी चीज़ हम जो मन में सोच लें, जैसे कहीं पर कोई कहता है कि देखो ध्यान करो लेकिन बंदर का ध्यान मत करना, तो मन पड़ा आप बंदर का ध्यान करने लग जाएंगे। तो ध्यान इज लाइक आप क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या सोच रहे हैं, वो है। तो ये मेडिटेशन बेसिकली मुझे गुरु के मिलने के बाद में मालूम पड़ा कि मैं वहाँ पर क्वेश्चंस आए। पहली बात तो यह है कि मैं कौन हूँ, मैं क्यों ध्यान करना, क्यों, क्या होता है ध्यान का मतलब, तो ये सब बातें मुझे मालूम पड़ी। तो बहुत ज़्यादा मैं नहीं बोलूँगा, सिर्फ इतना कि मैंने जो ध्यान किया था कुछ नहीं हुआ। अब मैं ध्यान नहीं करता हूँ, अब मेरे लिए मेरे गुरु ध्यान करते हैं। मैं बैठ जाता हूँ, आई डू नॉट नो व्हाट हैपेंस। बस वो शेखर शर्मा जी विटनेस हैं इस बात के। रामचंद्र मिशन में मैं गया था, वहाँ पर आई वाज सिटिंग simply and then whatever is being done, it is done by Guru. So we will have to think about this कि बेसिकली हम क्या करना चाहते हैं, हमारा लक्ष्य क्या है। इम्पॉर्टेंट ये है, इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि हम क्या चाहते हैं, ध्यान करना चाहते हैं, क्यों करना चाहते हैं। कि हमारा सिर्फ इतना उद्देश्य है कि हेल्थ अच्छी हो जाए, तो यस यू कैन गेट दैट विदाउट एनी गुरु। बैठ जाइए, हो जाए, थोड़ा बहुत फर्क पड़ेगा, काम हो जाएगा। लेकिन मनुष्य जीवन मिली है तो क्यों मिली है, ये बात भी आती है। ये बात मुझे गुरु से मालूम पड़ी कि लक्ष्य बेसिकली, अब ये वेदांत की चीज़ें हैं इसलिए मैं इनको ज़्यादा नहीं लूँगा, लेकिन इतना ज़रूरी है कि हमें अपना लक्ष्य मालूम होना चाहिए और उसके लिए गुरु होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। इतना मैं समझ गया, क्योंकि अब मैं कुछ भी नहीं जानता हूँ, ये मुझे मालूम है। आई नो नथिंग, जो कुछ भी है मेरे गुरु हैं, और बस जो हो रहा है वो गुरु और गुरु की शक्ति, वो शक्ति करती है। ऐसे बातचीत करने के लिए मैं बात कर सकता हूँ, कुंडलिनी क्या होती है, चक्र कितने होते हैं, कैसे होते हैं, ये सब बातें कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन ये प्लेटफॉर्म इन बातों का नहीं है और इन बातों को करने के लिए मना भी किया गया है। तो बेसिकली इम्पॉर्टेंट क्या है, हम अपने बारे में जानें, मैं कौन हूँ, वो इम्पॉर्टेंट है, वो मनुष्य जीवन का लक्ष्य है। यदि वो मालूम पड़ गया आपको तो आप सब कुछ जान जाएंगे, उसके बाद कुछ जानना शेष नहीं रहता है। इतना मैं गारंटी से कह सकता हूँ कि आप अपने आप को जान लें। अब उसके लिए मेडिटेशन कितना हेल्प करेगा, नहीं करेगा, गुरु करते हैं उसके लिए, गुरु ही कर सकते हैं। क्योंकि आप अपने आप करेंगे तो, जैसे डर गया था मैं, न्यूजीलैंड में कर रहा था, मैंने अपनी स्टोरी इसलिए बताई, डर गया था। तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट, देयर आर सो मेनी स्टेजेस, ध्यान के बाद में बहुत सी स्टेजेस हैं। तो बस इतना मैं कहना चाहूँगा और बाकी जो बातचीत है, कोई इंडिविजुअल इंटरेस्ट रखता है तो ज़रूर मैं बात कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन कॉमन प्लेटफॉर्म पर सिंगल थिंग, नो योर सेल्फ, नो दाई सेल्फ, लाइक दैट। अपने आप को जानिए आप, वो गुरु से ही हो सकता है। मेरे ख्याल से इतना बहुत है। कोई यदि क्वेश्चन करेगा तो जरूर बात कर सकता हूँ और ज़्यादा इसमें मैं नहीं बोलना चाहूँगा। स्पिरिचुअलिज्म क्या है ये मुझे गुरु से मालूम पड़ गया है, तो गुरु होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बस इतना मैं कह सकता हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच। ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लूँगा मैं। शेखर आप अपना कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं। यस
सर, थैंक यू सो मच। मैं पार्टिसिपेंट्स के लिए एक चीज यहाँ पर ऐड that Professor Khare sir is deeply involved into really academic upliftment. Being Dean Academics, of course, that's a part of duty. But other than this aspect, he is maintaining the peace throughout, and this cool nature helps him to think, ponder, contemplate very coolly over the things, and taking quick actions to take that into action. So those things are already there, though he will not say it. For him, everything has become guru, as he rightly said. The complete attitude reflects that. And thank you so much, sir, for giving us this enlightenment. Thank you, Manish ji. Over to you.
Thank you so much, sir. Last but not the least, I would like to invite Mr. Ashwin Srivastava, who is also the co-coordinator of the course, to please propose vote of thanks.
So thank you, Ritika madam. So on behalf of the institute and department, first of all, I would like to thank AICT Atal Academy for providing us the opportunity to conduct this FDP. Special thanks to our director, Professor Rakesh Saxena sir, for his guidance and support. My sincere thanks to Dean R&D, Professor Vandana Tare madam, for motivating us for this FDP. Special thanks to our Dean Academics, Professor Rakesh Khare sir, for sparing time from his busy schedule and inspiring us for conducting such events. Thank you so much, sir. My heartfelt thanks to our HOD, Professor Shekhar Sharma sir, for his constant support and motivation throughout this workshop. Special thanks to our coordinator, Manish Panchal sir, under whose leadership we have conducted this workshop and made this a huge success. Thanks to all the professors and non-teaching staff of the department for all their help and support for making this event successful. A very special thanks to the organizing committee, Dipali Kothari madam, Nisha madam, Vaishali madam, for the online management. Thanks to Ritika madam and Sruchi madam for anchoring the sessions. Thanks to Mohit sir and Neeraj sir for managing the Google Form, attendance and YouTube channel. Thanks to Pankaj Vyasji, Mahesh Soni ji, Nandalal Patidar ji for making all the offline arrangements in the department. Special thanks to all the participants for attending this FDP. Your cooperation has made this event very successful. Last but not least, very special thanks to everyone who have knowingly or unknowingly contributed in conduction of this event. With these words, I formally conclude the vote of thanks. सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, सभी का आभार. So I would like to request all the participants to please remain connected in the WhatsApp group जो हमने means the group which we have formed for this FDP, so that at least till you receive the certificate, please remain in that group, and we can also remain connected through the WhatsApp group so that we can share the knowledge or share the information about FDPs mutually in that group, and also we can use that group for mutual benefit of our students. Thank you. With this, I formally end. Manish sir, over to you.
So once again, thanks to all the dignitaries and all the participants for being a part of this course. So hope so that in the future, the department will also organize such a training. So definitely we will send an invitation to you to attend this training program. Okay. Thank you once again. Thank you so much. I request all the participants, please attend the quiz. I have sent the quiz link in the chat box. If you are facing any problem, you can directly contact to us on our WhatsApp number, or directly you can call us. So So once again, thank you to all the participants from all over the India.
क्वेश्चन नहीं बनेगा तो भी
And please fill the feedback form on AICT Atal portal. It is a part of this FDP. Your certificate will be generated when you have filled that feedback form. Thank you.
चलो मनीष बढ़िया हो गया. अश्विन, congratulations, relax.